So what does it really take to create the next generation of tech leaders? I'm not just talking about teaching them, but truly forging them. Today, we're going to dive deep into a uniquely demanding mentorship program. It's one that uses pressure, some seriously strict rules, and intense collaboration to build founders literally from the ground up. Right out of the gate, the program's mentor, Amaefule Chukwuemeka, sets the bar incredibly high. You can see right here, this isn't just another class, it's an incubator. The goal isn't some piece of paper, a certificate. No, it's about building a community that can actually go out and launch businesses on a global scale. So you have to wonder, who in their right mind willingly steps into this kind of high-pressure environment? Well, the participants actually come from some surprisingly diverse backgrounds, and each one of them is bringing their own unique goals to the table. Let's meet a few of them. First up, you've got David Amukoro. Now, he's already an experienced developer, and his philosophy is pretty clear. Business is about making money. He sees this huge explosion in AI, and he's here to get the skills and the mentorship to cash in on it. Then you have someone like Joshua Akwarandu, who's coming from a completely different universe. He's a medical student, so naturally he's cautious, right? But he's also really curious. He wants to see if tech can be a legit tool to solve actual problems in the healthcare world. And rounding out our little group here is Emmanuel Chijioke. He brings a business and data background to the mix. For him, it's all about one thing: efficiency. He's here to master the tech that can automate and streamline businesses. All right, so for a program this ambitious, you'd expect some serious rules, right? And you would be correct. This is not some casual weekend learning group. No, it's a gauntlet with a framework so unforgiving, it's designed specifically to weed out anyone who isn't 100% committed. Okay, this is it. This is the big one. 3. That's the magic number. That's how many meetings you can miss before you are completely removed from the program. No choke. And yeah, that 3 strikes rule is absolute. Miss more than 2 meetings and you lose access to, well, everything. It's all part of this set of core commandments. But what's kind of interesting is that very first point, progress over perfection. So even though the rules are super strict, the real focus is on moving forward. But don't get it twisted. Deadlines are deadlines, and collaboration, it isn't just encouraged, it is assigned. So how do you even get through this thing? Well, the program isn't just chaos. It's this meticulously planned 3-month journey. It's designed to take people all the way from the fundamentals to making a real-world impact. It all builds on itself, logically. So month 1 is all about laying the foundation, getting the tools set up, understanding the basics. Then, in month 2, the pressure really starts to ramp up. We're talking real-life projects, advanced topics. And by month 3, the focus completely shifts to impact, presenting those big projects and getting ready for whatever comes next. The weekly rhythm is just as structured. You've got a quick 30-minute progress call every Wednesday. That's for checking on assignments, solving problems. But the main event, the big one, is the 2-hour deep dive on Sunday. This is where the heavy lifting happens. Reviews, workshops, and that all-important collaborative project work. Now, to make all of this actually work, everyone relies on a very specific set of tools. You see the standard stuff on here, like Google Meet and GitHub, but look closely at that one item. Notion for journaling is mandatory. Every single person has to track their learning, their progress, their thoughts. It creates this really powerful system for accountability and just being aware of your own growth. Okay, so after all this discipline, all this intensity, and all this hard work, what's the end game? I mean, why would anyone put themselves through this? Well, the program is designed to deliver a payoff that really matches the insane level of commitment it asks. It all boils down to this one number, 80%. You have to hit an 80% performance score by the 11th week. And that score is a mix of everything: attendance, the quality of your assignments, your project work, the whole deal. Hitting that target is basically the key that unlocks the program's best opportunities. It's a super clear benchmark for success. And for the people who do hit that 80% mark, the rewards are very, very real. You walk away with a powerful tech portfolio, you get direct support to help you get a job, and you get invited to exclusive tech communities. But really, the ultimate prize is leaving with the skills, the network, and the confidence to actually build your own company from scratch. So this brings us to one final, and I think pretty crucial question. This whole model is intense. It's unforgiving, it's highly selective, but it's also designed to produce tangible, high-level results. So, is this kind of high-stakes, pressure cooker environment the new blueprint for creating the next wave of tech innovators? It's definitely something to think about.